Automobile manufacturers, from Lamborghini to Rolls-Royce, do not disappoint when it comes to producing the most luxurious and beautiful cars in the world. These cars provide class, a never-before-seen design, a powerful engine, and comfort, among other things. The most elegant cars have limited editions, and a limited edition of a supercar appears every few months. It frequently has a higher price tag than previous models. People rush to get their hands on the latest limited editions of these cars as soon as they are released. This video will cover the most expensive cars in the world in 2022, and you won't want to miss it. All you have to do is to smash the like and subscribe button for more quality content about money and luxury. Rolls-Royce Boattail. Rolls-Royce is well known for its high-end automobiles. The new Boattail is a stunning successor to the stunning Sweptail that was released in 2017. The Sweptail cost $12.8 million to build. The price has not yet been announced by the company, but rumors suggest that the Boattail will cost a whopping $28 million. The exterior of the Boattail is two-toned, which is unusual for a car, and the interior includes a hosting suite with a built-in sun umbrella and champagne fridge. Who doesn't enjoy a glass of champagne? Rolls-Royce never lets you down. Bugatti Voiture Noir. The Bugatti Voiture Noir is powered by an 8-liter quad-turbo W16 engine. It produces 1479 horsepower and has a torque of 1,600 Newton-meters. This car has 6 exhaust tips, which may be difficult to believe. The swanky new Bugatti Voiture Noir has radical wheels, a bespoke fascia, and an illuminated badge at the backlight that spells out the brand's name, clearly identifying it as Bugatti. Voiture Noir honors the legendary Bugatti's past. It symbolizes sophistication and elegance. In terms of speed, aesthetics, luxury, and technology, it is nothing short of a legend. This all-black Atlantic costs $18.7 million. Bugatti Centidiacy. The Centidiacy is a very rare car that Bugatti debuted at Pebble Beach Car Week. The Centidiacy continues Bugatti's 110-year tradition of exceptional design and performance, while also paying homage to the brand's recent history. Bugatti recreated the legendary EB110 with the Centidiacy Italian for 110. The Centidiacy, inspired by the historical model, challenges all boundaries of creativity with its astounding performance and pioneering design. With its modern take on the classic wedge shape and the renowned W16 engine, the Centidiacy gracefully ushers the EB110 into the new millennium. There are only 10 limited edition cars produced, and they are distinguished by their flawless elegance and sculptural beauty, transforming the Centidiacy into a true work of art. Mercedes-Benz Accelero. The Mercedes-Benz Accelero is an exceptional vehicle. Fulda, a German division of Goodyear, created the Accelero in 2004 to test its new tires. This supercar has been meticulously and flawlessly engineered to avoid aerodynamic stress. As a result, it will be able to achieve its goal with maximum efficacy and efficiency. The Mercedes-Benz Maybach Accelero concept car weighs 2,660 kilograms and is powerful and large. The Accelero has a top speed of 351 km per hour, which is extremely fast when compared to other concept cars. The Mercedes-Maybach Accelero accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.4 seconds. The supercar is priced at $8 million, but it would be more than $10 million today. Bugatti Devo. Among Bugatti's newly released automobiles, the Devo is a staff favorite. The Devo has a lot going for it to justify the extra money, despite sharing a lot with its less expensive companion, the Chiron. Bugatti reduced the weight of the Devo by 77 pounds by using lighter wheels, a carbon fiber intercooler, and removing some sound deadening. Despite having the same 1,500 horsepower as the Chiron, the Devo has a different aerodynamic arrangement that allows it to complete the Nardo test circuit 8 seconds faster. The long-awaited moment has arrived. The car will be produced in 40 pieces, each costing $580 million. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure that you hit the like and subscribe button. See you next time.